Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Stevens, and today I'm going to take you on a quick house tour before we move out. So, we are currently in the process of moving out of our house, and Gus knows it too, because he's whining to death. So, I'm going to take you on a little house tour. This is kind of for me, but kind of also for you, so that way we can experience what our first house was like, and then say goodbye to it. We're leaving. So, this is our kitchen. This is where we lived for the past 2 years. And then this is our tiny little laundry room, which leads out into the garage. Nothing super fancy. So, the living room. And everything's completely empty because for the past 60 days, I had the crazy idea that we should sell the house and show it empty. So we've been living pretty much like this for the past 60 days. And then you go into the hallway and you have little closets here. And one of the guest bedrooms with like a little closet, again, standard size closet, nothing fancy. And then the guest bathroom. Another guest bedroom that used to house a TV, which we took, but we left them out. Little closet, standard size. And then this is the master bedroom. This is the big bedroom. So, this is where we were for the past 2 years, our master bedroom, where I spent most of my time. I've been doing my teaching from here, remotely, during this whole thing going on for virtual teaching. Our master bedroom, or bathroom, is right here with the closet, walk-in closet. It's not a walk-in closet, but a walk-in closet. And like I said, the bathroom, nothing fancy, definitely not your typical master bathroom, but it served its purpose. So you have all of that, and that is just what our first house was like. It's pretty small, 1,200 square foot home that we bought here a couple years ago, and I'm so excited to finally say that we are moving in to our new house. It's happening. I can stop doubting like everyone has been telling me to and officially say that we are moving in to our new house this Friday, and I'm so excited about it. But currently right now, this is the last thing I wanted to do before leaving, to take a video for my husband and I to see and look back on and maybe show our daughter and our family. And gonna go check out this window again because last time I was here, there were sheriffs out here yep, they're still there, interrogating our across the street neighbors who are renters. So beware if you buy a house with neighbors that are renters in the neighborhood, because this is the sort of thing that could happen. When we first moved in, there were not renters in the neighborhood, and then, well actually they were renters, but they were much nicer renters. We didn't know that the second renters were going to be like this. So, that is my little house tour for you. Hopefully we'll get to leave soon to go stay where we're staying for the next 2 days until we can officially move into our house on Friday. So if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you later.